In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best luxury shower systems on Amazon 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best luxury shower systems on Amazon. Number 1, ZumpSalny Luxury Digital Temperature Display Ceiling Mount Shower System, Push-Button Diverter with Pressure Balance Valve, 12-inch and 6 dual rainfall shower heads, 2-in-1 metal handheld shower set, matte black digital temperature display real-time water temperature monitoring for a safer and more comfortable shower experience. 12-inch and 6-inch dual rainfall shower heads enjoy full-body coverage with luxurious overhead rainfall water flow. 2-in-1 metal handheld shower versatile handheld sprayer for targeted rinsing, cleaning, and convenience. Push-button diverter control easily switch between shower functions with simple push-button operation. Pressure balance valve helps maintain consistent water temperature and pressure while reducing sudden fluctuations. Ceiling mount design modern spa-inspired installation for a premium bathroom appearance. Premium metal construction durable materials designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Matte black finish elegant, contemporary finish that complements modern bathroom decor. Multiple shower modes, flexible options for rainfall, handheld, and combined water flow experiences. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa retreat with the ZumpSalny Luxury Digital Temperature Display Shower System. Designed with modern elegance and advanced functionality, this premium shower system features dual rainfall shower heads, a versatile handheld shower, and an integrated digital temperature display for enhanced comfort and convenience. The large 12-inch and 6-inch ceiling-mounted rainfall shower heads provide wide water coverage, creating a relaxing and immersive shower experience. The included 2-in-1 metal handheld shower offers added flexibility for rinsing, cleaning, and everyday use. Equipped with a push-button diverter, switching between shower functions is effortless and intuitive. The pressure balance valve helps maintain stable water temperature and pressure, enhancing safety while reducing unexpected temperature changes. Constructed from high-quality metal components and finished in a sophisticated matte black. Number 2, RUMOSE Matte Black Shower Panel Tower System. 5-function shower faucet set LED light rainfall shower head digital display with massage jets tub spout shower shelves, stainless steel, wall mount. 5-function shower system multiple water flow options for a customized shower experience. LED rainfall shower head large overhead shower delivers relaxing rainfall coverage with integrated LED lighting. Digital temperature display displays real-time water temperature for added convenience and safety. Body massage jets multiple massage sprays help create a spa-like shower experience. Integrated tub spout convenient water outlet for bathtub filling and additional functionality. Built-in shower shelves provide storage space for shampoo, soap, and shower essentials. Premium stainless steel construction durable, corrosion-resistant design for long-lasting use. Wall-mounted installation modern and space-efficient bathroom upgrade. Elegant matte black finish contemporary appearance complements modern bathroom decor. Upgrade your bathroom with the RUMOSE Matte Black Shower Panel Tower System, a stylish all-in-one shower solution designed to deliver luxury, convenience, and modern functionality. Featuring 5 shower functions, this premium shower panel transforms everyday bathing into a spa-inspired experience. The large LED rainfall shower head provides soothing overhead water coverage while creating a contemporary visual effect. A built-in digital display shows real-time water temperature, helping you monitor comfort level. Number 3, KATAIS Matte Black Shower System Temperature Display Shower Faucet Set with 12-inch ceiling mount and 8-inch wall mount shower head, with 6 PCS body jet, handheld spray. Digital temperature display real-time water temperature monitoring for a safer and more comfortable shower experience. 12-inch ceiling-mounted rain shower head provides luxurious full-body rainfall coverage. 8-inch wall-mounted shower head additional showering option for enhanced flexibility and convenience. 6 high pressure body jets delivers targeted hydromassage for a spa-like bathing experience. Handheld shower spray ideal for rinsing, cleaning, and versatile everyday use. Multiple water functions easily switch between rainfall shower, body jets, handheld spray, and combined modes. Premium pressure balance system helps maintain consistent water temperature and pressure. Durable metal construction built for long-lasting reliability and performance. Modern matte black finish elegant contemporary design complements luxury bathroom decor. The KATAIS Matte Black Shower System combines modern design, advanced functionality, and luxurious comfort to create a premium shower experience. Featuring a built-in digital temperature display, this shower system allows you to monitor water temperature in real time for improved convenience and safety. The large 12-inch ceiling-mounted rainfall shower head delivers immersive overhead water coverage, while the 8-inch wall-mounted shower head provides an additional showering option for greater flexibility. 6 integrated body jets create a relaxing hydromassage effect that helps enhance comfort and relaxation during every shower. A versatile handheld spray offers added convenience for rinsing, cleaning, and targeted water flow. The multifunction design allows users to switch between different shower modes to customize their bathing experience according to personal preferences. Constructed from high-quality materials and finished in a sophisticated matte black coating, the KATAIS shower system adds a luxurious and contemporary touch to any bathroom renovation or upgrade. Designed for both style and performance, it delivers a spa-inspired shower experience right at home. Number 4. BEITH Thermostatic Shower System, upgraded 6 functions piano key design shower set, 40 by 10 cm shower faucet sets complete in handheld, LED digital display, bathtub faucet, 59A copper gun gray 6 function shower system, multiple water outlet modes for a fully customizable shower experience. Innovative piano key controls. Modern push-button design allows easy switching between shower functions. Thermostatic temperature control maintains a consistent water temperature for enhanced comfort and safety. LED digital temperature display, real-time temperature monitoring for precise water control. 40 x 10 cm rainfall shower head wide coverage delivers a luxurious full-body rainfall experience. Handheld shower spray, flexible option for rinsing, cleaning, and targeted water flow. Integrated bathtub faucet, convenient tub filling functionality for complete bathroom versatility. Premium 59A copper construction, durable, corrosion-resistant materials designed for long-lasting performance. Elegant gun gray finish, sophisticated modern appearance that enhances contemporary bathroom decor. The BEITH Thermostatic Shower System is a premium all-in-one bathroom upgrade that combines luxury, innovation, and advanced functionality. Featuring 6 shower functions and a modern piano key control design, this shower set allows effortless switching between multiple water outlets for a customized bathing experience. Its thermostatic valve system automatically maintains a stable water temperature, helping prevent sudden fluctuations while improving comfort and safety. The built-in LED digital display provides real-time temperature readings, giving you greater control over your shower settings. The large 40 by 10 cm rainfall shower head delivers wide, soothing water coverage, creating a spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom. An included handheld shower offers additional flexibility for everyday use, while the integrated bathtub faucet adds convenient functionality for filling tubs quickly and efficiently. Crafted from premium 59A copper and finished in an elegant gun gray color, the BEITH shower system combines exceptional. Number 5. HOMEDEC LED multi-functions full body shower system with 6 PCS body jet spray with up/down shower spout, large 3-in-1 modes, 14 x 20-inch shower head, rainfall mist shower faucet set complete. Chrome. Multifunction luxury shower system designed to deliver a spa-like full-body shower experience. Large 14 x 20-inch shower head wide coverage provides immersive rainfall-style water flow. 3-in-1 shower head mode, switch between rainfall, mist, and combined spray settings. 6 full-body massage jets. Targeted body sprays help create a relaxing hydrotherapy experience. LED temperature display, real-time water temperature monitoring for added convenience and safety. Up/down shower spout design, flexible water outlet options for enhanced functionality. Complete shower faucet set includes all major components needed for a premium shower upgrade. Durable chrome finish, corrosion-resistant surface offers a modern and elegant appearance. Premium construction built for long-lasting performance and reliable daily use. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa retreat with the HOMEDEC LED multifunction full-body shower system. Designed for comfort, relaxation, and modern style, this complete shower faucet set combines multiple water functions to deliver an exceptional bathing experience. The oversized 14 x 20-inch shower head offers expansive coverage and features 3 water modes, including rainfall, mist, and combined settings. Whether you prefer a gentle mist or a refreshing rainfall shower, you can easily customize the experience to match your preferences. 6 integrated body jets provide targeted water pressure for a soothing full-body massage effect, helping create a relaxing and rejuvenating atmosphere. The LED temperature display allows real-time monitoring of water temperature, enhancing convenience and shower safety. The innovative up/down shower spout design adds versatility, while the polished chrome finish brings a sleek, contemporary look to any bathroom decor. Built with